How we started.
In Germany we say danke. In France we say merci. In Spain we say gracias. In Italy we say grazie. In Portugal we say obrigado. In the Netherlands we say dank je. In Sweden we say tack. In Norway we say tack. In Denmark we say tack. In Finland we say kiitos. In Poland we say dziękuję. In Greece we say efaristo. In the United Kingdom we say thank you. In Ireland we say gorev maga. In the United States we say thank you. In Mexico we say gracias. In Brazil we say obrigado. In Argentina we say gracias. In China we say xie. In Japan we say arigato. In Korea we say kamsahamnida. In India we say dhanyavad. In Pakistan we say shukriya. In Thailand we say khop khun. In Vietnam we say kaman. In Indonesia we say terima kasih. In the Philippines we say salamat. In Kenya we say asante. In Morocco we say shukran. In Ethiopia we say amesikina legu. In Ghana we say medase. In Nigeria we say nagode. In South Africa we say danki. In Tanzania we say asante sana. In Madagascar we say misaotra. In Zimbabwe we say tatenda. In Algeria we say shukran. In Angola we say obrigado. In Benin we say merci. In Botswana we say ke aleboga. In Burkina Faso we say merci. In Burundi we say murakose. In Cameroon we say merci. In Cape Verde we say obrigado. In the Central African Republic we say merci. In Chad we say merci. In Comoros we say asante. In the Democratic Republic of the Congo we say matondo. In the Republic of the Congo we say merci.